Hello guys, this is Sumant from Decode Now. Welcome to the lecture series on Python for beginners. Today we'll be learning more about indexing and slicing with strings. So let's jump into the video. Indexing, as discussed in the previous video, is a method in using which we can grab a single character from a string. We'll pass the index value within the angular brackets or the square brackets, and the character associated to that particular index value will be given as output. Coming to slicing, here instead of grabbing a single character, we'll be grabbing a piece or a slice of that particular string, or we can say a subsection of that string using three values, which is start, stop, and step size. So let's explore indexing and slicing with Python. So let me say my string is equal to decode space now. And if I execute this and type in my string, I am getting decode now as the string. So suppose I wanted to grab this particular D, a single character D. As I said, in Python, the index starts from 0. If you have not watched the previous video, I'll mention the link in the description. Please do check it out. If I say my string open square brackets of 0 and shift enter, I'll get D, which is the first character in my string. Suppose if I wanted this N, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In Python, space is also considered as a character. If I pass in 7 as the index value, I would get N. So suppose I wanted to get this O present in this word now. There are two ways which we can do in order to get that particular character. I can either pass in 8 as the index value, I will get the O, or instead using reverse indexing, I can pass -2. The in reverse indexing, as we discussed earlier, W is the last letter of the string is given as -1, and O here is -2. If I pass in -2 as the index value, then also we'll get O as the output. So this is all about indexing. Now let's see a few examples regarding slicing. So for slicing, I will have the string value as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Suppose we wanted to slice this string from D till the end. We could pass the start index as 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, which is the index value of D, and then give a semicolon, which would be my string of 3 and a semicolon. Here we would get the value from starting from D till the end. And in an opposite manner, if we wanted from starting to till F, it would be my string of colon 5. 5 is the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is the value of F. But one thing we'll have to remember here is the stop index goes up to but does not include that particular character. But because if we want F also in this output, we'll have to mention the stop index as 6 and not 5. So here we get A, B, C, D, E, F. And suppose we want to do slicing in between the strings, then it would be my string of 3 to 6. We will get D, F. D is with the index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And 6 is index value of G. It goes up to G but does not include G as discussed earlier. So if we say my string, we get this value, right? This similar output can be reproduced by using brackets and two semicolons. This also gives us the same output. We won't be using this in coding, but still it's good to know this. So suppose we want to mention step size. That's the third parameter while slicing. Then we can say 2. Default, the step size will be 1. And if I say 2 for my string, it would loop through from start to end in this step size of 2. So it comes from A to C, skips B, C to E, and so on. We can also change this value to 3. And similarly, it skips 2 steps now and it prints the expected value. One more cool feature with slicing in Python is we can reverse a string without much work. If I say my string of colon colon -1, what I'm specifying here is go through the string from start to end, but in this step size of -1. So it will start from here, which is the last letter of the string, and it will print the value or give the output of the string in the reverse manner. So this is an easy way using which we can reverse a string. Python developers usually use this slicing and pass in this -1 as the step size in the interviews, which is a cool trick to know. But we won't be using this in coding or anything. So this is all for this video. If you have learned something new, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel and support us. If you have any questions, requests, or suggestions, please do let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.